Yeah, we are there trade down.
Adiba ko eneme hu me college no ho. In fact, me bo me college no aba so. Ankoya manwosem. Ankoye bibia etisa.
Na issues no so ase. Omoti issues na si. Eti chemu no, utu se mudo. Se ya na nke pe no nka de bia asem ne beto ho a. Yan PP and DC PPP one some ntonchen ni enka asem no fe kofi asem e bebo wo manga na ni enku yenim won se ya na ye pe no mo ya de
ana se be ma politics kakra bo ma yenye de se ma marita di is just na ya come
I'm a story bi wo Ghanaian Times una eno na mpese me koso sense me document me enu egumenim ha na me pese yenya background ni yie every Ghanaian Times story. No good news for clients of defunct fund management companies. Government set to roll out bailout package next month. Oima, what saying?
Brata mate. Da mamin kabi. Media kan ho free the Bokrata Ghanaian Times ne feto so edumi ensanie. Reverend Daniel Ogban Metete DG Sec ena oda ha wo siri ni simu jire. Na wase Ghana ban free September wachina ye wo muso no. Wadi bailout package banate senhye ya wadi babema enkrofo ho ahan wo mo. Wase client anasamo amudi musika kokoto. Enyumakuo bi a wogi sika edikwadi dwa na mfaso ba wo mo ni mu ache. Ye wo sika krabia wo ho de wodi sika koto na ye wodi odi koma na se wo mfa nkonkodi dwa. Eye fund management companies trinity aka na se FMCs no. Na wase Securities and Exchange Commission SEC for na dis asemi ababetu dwa. Na wase package na wode ba na ebe kwan bi so se social interventions anase kwan a ye fa so ede boa emobrofo ebi ene se wase sade ye ede ma wone a na wo musika special deposit taking institutions SDIs na fe microfinance companies ni mu na wase wo ma chiche first phase no clients na some amudi musika kwa kwose institutions na se companies na makomako aduonu mieni 22 companies yes CA official liquidation court eden hihye aba ya wo mo eye ho adwuma no mo na ebeka mo afei wo say liquidator egusonso so ye hihye na mo amho kan ye no every September bosomi mu no wo ma hyase atua na wase second phase no so be hwe client a say yi makomako aduonu miensa na ebekan yi aduonu mienu enti mo amobeka akire no mo nso ye de makwa akɔhye second phase ni mu a ye betua musika na eno ɔsehye ne nso sɛ mo amode musika kokosie ye wo sɛ nnwumakuo makomako nan a mebɛbobodin mo nka ho wase baako Black Shield Capital Management Limited the ataso First Bank Financial Services Limited Apex Capital Partners and afe Ideal Capital Partners Limited Mosa mudi musika ekoma sa nnwumakuo nan no monka ho esan se sa nnwumakuo nan no ejina court a wo mo twe apo esan sa court eni asem no mu ayenti no ye de mo ejina nchen na o se si yi se kese ne saka nipa e wo se etu omoka empem aduokron nwotwe ahanwotwe aduonu 98,820 claims ya wo bu ho konta 10.83 billion na cheso pepepem du apepepepe who how billion do achieve nwotwe miensa na wase enu ye 47 FMCs ya wo mo license na ye revoke ya na se ye twa tumi a wode ye adwuma no mu wo mo ho asem na wo mo kan commission no eso de shekrata no bi se enwumakuo no makomako aduanan enwumakuo aduanu miensa ye kan aduanan na wo mo ensa kwakoka wo mo nkrata sa no wo mo hyehyɛ ya na wo mo de ye adwuma no nyina
that's 40
companies and I was say Black Shield Management Company Limited can any friend Gold Coast Fund Management Limited one aka mo to adwum se buru one bibia ni hono mu a one ye ehhehwe ensa nu mu sec ensatimi aka na so watimi ehunu mu na so mo de enkrampo de yengu mu sokora commission ne say wawie validation wo one a wo ama wo ho kwan 40 companies no wawie wo validation no wo hyehyɛ nyina ye anu nti wa validate nipa be se empem adu wotwemienu ahanu ene 82,204 claims ye anu wo kabomu a 4.65 billion ye opepepe hu ha enan people nsienum Yeah, I'll say Black Shield Management Limited. Ediano, Wafe and Omuguswa, Womo Ebubum. It's when Uka assembling in Albumwa, as some proper or person what the tree and him any. Okay,
Mamingua Manusonamini or Charles Nyame or a PRO. Edema 53 collapsed fund management companies. Meneno entry train Komoranya me Oteminka.
Me am John Kainanope.
And what do you
well,
me did say, and somewhere Ghanaian Times, they better to pay an amini about Ebro Nina and Amwasum.
If I try any crown, a year and more the Nation Commission for almost that press release, no, almost sending my Yankasa privately. So we have the official document. While I go through in some many are baking.
Okay, but going through the official document, Commission said woman partial access to records of some of these FMCs as a group. Muhusa issue because Charles.
If I saw we have asked a relevant question. What bisa asome here was singing them and I will be sano. Minia, a master say, I say. You follow in Myanmar sequentially. In the 2022, Securities and Exchange Commission, Mr. Suse, and Pro and Securities and Exchange Commission AD. Now, many means some open to the Central. In the month of June 2020, Yannick leadership of Securities and Exchange Commission, Reverend Obama Nankasa, at once afraid. As our meeting, and I'm Jim Wakotin, and you initiate our head office, Securities and Exchange Commission. I told us afraid, they are not all in and say he was briefing us how far they have come after the revocation of the claims, revocation of the license of the companies, and validation, filing of claims, no validation issues. I don't know. We haven't looked by me that my say. After then, June, now claims are you're filing now for these companies 90,000 claims. The Securities and Exchange Commission have been able to validate 50% of the 90,000. Me follow me figures me you.
Me too, pa.
50% of the 90,000. Good. If that is the truth, 50% of 90,000 is supposed to be 45,000. Am I correct?
Yes.
45,000.
Yes.
Fine. And so, the Deputy Director General of SEC or your in charge of legal or your bar, that same June, after your meeting, was hosted on Kokoko Morning Show by Kwame Sefakai. He repeated these figures. We have the videos here. We want to play it. She repeated these figures. Reverend Obama was hosted by Bernard Avle. She repeated these figures that after June, they have validated 50% of the 90,000 claims, which is 45,000. Good. And Yabba Bedroom Agestra, even there were questions of why the slow, because the final claims ended. The real final claims on 15th of January. And also because of the COVID-19, a slowdown on activity. And media, they are working faster. In a few weeks' time, they will complete the validation. Good. You do August, that's 2 months down the line. I can say you have validated 45,000 of the 90,000. But since you show a press conference and Kunta Omu Dua, they have validated less than 16,000 claims. Yes, I one. In our press conference, I'm releasing Friday, Reverend Obama said, all the claims after 26th of August 2020,
98,820. Yes, 98,820. Valued at 10.83 billion
yes.
Ghana cedis.
I have all these figures. Yes, 10 point. And about the country, and say, out of these figures, Gold Coast Fund Management, I say, your friend Black Shield,
Yes.
Among our customers, 82,204. So we share the percentage of 82,204 out of 98,820. It is 82.3% of the total claims filed.
Yes.
82.3%. not just 16.7%. Okay, for the remaining 46 companies, I say CIA we got post 46 companies. Good. And as far as 16.2%, I represented just 16,616 claims. Okay, and he's telling us, Gold Coast customers, they have had access to only 3% of their document, and 3% of 82,204 is less than 2,500. And it's also captured and say, June validation 45,000. About the do August there, he has done less than 20,000 validation, which is blank. I Omudi. The trust me, my chance. I am trying to Omudi is fine. Omudi said, Gold Coast customers, and I adore. And right now, I think they have no means to pay all the money. So they are hiding behind some of these excuses that they are giving. Say, Gold Coast Fund Management and producing the data over here. But before the year 2019, before the revocation licenses, please, are you listening to me?
Me too, pa.
Before the revocation of this license, Securities and Exchange Commission and contracted a year PricewaterhouseCoopers, only a forensic audit around the month of July and August 2019. Around the month of July and August, conducting forensic audit, and during this forensic audit, all the books, all the data of customers of Gold Coast Fund Management were given to PricewaterhouseCoopers upon the instruction of Securities and Exchange Commission.
I mean, as in like that document because
that document, that was the reason why. So upon what grounds, Securities and Exchange Commission, every revoking license,
Okay.
It was as a result of this forensic audit conducted by Securities and Exchange Commission through PricewaterhouseCoopers.
Okay, all right, so according to Securities and Exchange Commission, one more say Black Shield and Gold Coast Fund Management, one more petitioner court is another basis for their exclusion from this exercise. And that's what you're saying.
Me
too.
These are all unnecessary excuses that they are giving to just sideline us. Yes, it is unnecessary excuses. Also, even in court, sometimes if there is a precedence of similar cases that have been held at our judicial system, you can make reference to those precedents. In the case of the revocation of the companies and the Bank of Ghana, companies he lands, you see, Unibank, Dr. Pablo Foye owner, and the Assembly of Court says here, only Assembly decided challenging the revocation of Unibank license. Unicredit, our court says here, they are challenging the revocation of the company's license. GN Savings and Loans, Dr. Papa presented to one of the companies. Our court says here, they are challenging the revocation license. But government bailouts never buy, there was nothing like say because these companies are in court in some way, we can't pay the customers. The Bank of Ghana just went ahead paying the customers out of the company, out of the government bailout package. So what excuse is Securities and Exchange Commission? Similar situation. The Gold Coast Fund Management, our quarter, and until we can't be settled by the government package. And the Securities and Exchange Commission is contradicting itself on these grounds. This will make us understand. Almost 30 precedents said the reason for the government bailout package they spoke to the government said they knew the proceedings at court that will lead to the liquidation of the assets of the companies may prolong. That is their way. So in their may prolong. That was saying the plight of the customers. Therefore, there is a need for the government to bail out the customers with a package. I wish customers take home. So if this is the background for the government to release this bailout package out, how then do you go back to contradict yourself? Say, God calls more court, and if I say the assembly, Abraham was waiting. I establish say court cases may prolong, so there is a need for bailout packages. But what are they trying to say? The way things say, seven pregnant, you need to so as a journalist, search for yourself. You have the document in front of you.
Yes.
Is it not a great contradiction from their side?
Okay, and as we speak, per release a free second, Mami reading this portion. The 6 companies that we do not have access to their records are First Bank Financial Service, Creeper Capital, EM Capital, Omega Capital, Nickel, Kingsbury, and Heritage Securities. Validation of claims of First Bank Financial Service Limited is yet to commence because of their initial failure to cooperate with SEC and the filing of an application for an injunction pending appeal at the High Court. Claims filed against First Bank Financial Service Limited was 423, valued at 800 million Ghana cedis. We are in the process of resolving the issues to get full access to the records of the remaining 5 firms. And it goes on and on and on and on. It doesn't say, audit, no, it's as simple as that. Ananwa, Charles.
Yes, that's the establishment that we are making.
Yes.
The document on the forensic audit.
Yes.
It is the same document that you need. So you can use it. And everyone can say, company contradict your mom forensic audit. No, contradict your mom. That validation. That's PricewaterhouseCoopers. So they have the document already.
Charles, I know what's the offense here, at least for now. Why? Why? But way a press release and a free GN Group Indum Honum Ebae Besa Mekai 30th August 2020. Receivables are for customers, not Dr. Indum, not against payment to customers. And only itia that's what Mamenkai. I say for the avoidance of doubt. And in case anyone has missed this, Group Indum wishes to emphasize this important point. For over 3 years, Dr. Papa Kwesi Indum has been pleading for the payment of receivables due to contractors for projects his companies financed for the Road Fund, Get Fund, Cocoa Board, Ministry of Roads and Highways, and others, and private sector companies. The receivables amount to well over 3.5 billion Ghana cedis. These funds do not belong to Dr. Papa Kwesi Indum. So anyone who ignores or deliberately refuses to cooperate with us to retrieve those monies denies the customers access to their investment. In addition, those who ignore our receivables and rather choose to attack us personally miss the point, or perhaps only seek to inflict damage or take punitive action deliberately. Dr. Indum wishes it to be known that in case any government agency does not want to pay the receivables through the Group Indum companies, Dr. Indum will agree to have his managers sit down with them and work out how customers can be paid directly. What's important is that the customers get their investments back. Signed, GN Corporate Affairs. Yeah.
We no wase said the ebeya will be an adjum yakasene no obesanimu na ye de wodi free Group Indum ho Adom 106.3 for wase wadjuma yakasene ne amasem we ensani mu say Group Indum epese obia eti asese wodi free besen fiemi ensanie e na atwea pacho ese wone a wo mu sika abedi ne ho no anka ye ntua wo mu ka teach you and the 1 year womo ebe no baby call apam esa ye kwakoya contract na ye wie atwe nipa somasi anaso obenten car na wo se a free group ndum ho ena omutua ka no wo sink wo apacho saben fie miensa ni se ntu omuka na ensuso otwe ahoma na ma na bibi kuram ewo soro wo se sa nipa o ka sanke ntu omuka bi a road fund anase sika ye di tua akwan ye afi get fund sika koko board Ministry of Roads and Highways ene nkeka ho ena afi ankrankran nyuma bi nsuso a na wo se etu omuka wo se sika na nka wo hwe kwan se ye di betua ka no na nka beso bese 3.5 billion opepepe hu ha miensa achiri num na wo se sika no enye indum die otum sa sika na waka ho asem no eye wone a wo mene no edi sa wo so sika sem kunta ho ena sa sika no na ye de ma wo mo ne sa so nti se obi ene na nti anyante ase se obetua enye indum na obo na boro ne mo ye nipa bi ananwuma ko bi a na woni group indum edidwa ena wo bo wo mabro afa biew wo so de ka ho se ebu ya ni guso ese nipa bi empese obetua onfa ne so one ankrankran na eye ne mom eye nipa dodo bi ena wahye dade asotwen ema wo mo abra enya one wo mpo ena enya group indum say wapese wo bi ate ase se one Ghana ban enyumakuo ene enyumakuo nkrabata wase wo mo ni wo mo ye adwuma nyina no wone wo mo ye adwuma se de be ya ye betimi atwi wo mo ka a katua no be free group indum companies wonom Dr. Indum ene this asem yi ato Ghana fo anim se obi ni group indum ye adwuma na ye ntua ka wa preso sabadan kan fie minsa ene sika ne ma yenti enya ne from so na offer say nyina ye parents amenya last caller ja pass what private school what teachers na free match wo munko school na betua o moka besi sabiro bia no obetimi
na omutua moka de
me so obi entina me store so obi an wo obetumi na sa wo se onkoji loan why a soft loan na mana kwa bia so obetua be kwa kofa sika no wo hin enti kwa bi so no wo hwe owefo ansa na yesi ehwe ne benkum ni nifa edin so ombeye sa na ye ka ne sa so no packages na ban ye no anka onye bi fa private school no private teachers
and okay can say still no MBSSI for me to musika so am release em fam kwaku me wasima mi no ma me famra ho na fe mrantie no wo mo
o my crowd won
o mu gina me kon so
nene ma me fa daily graphic
I'm sorry
there 2 minutes na daily graphic was a president with the small baba to jane em se nya ya brobro so ma ne ko nanimu kama na ejapa deal no ene ho small baba finance minister the small kwa to dwa was deal no bibia ya abandia bibia ya abandi am obi nkojina ba bi nkoka se na asomasi no obenten na we will say wom na we will say wom was dwumaku ayate ejapa so omonko na wo mema dodode fanwa ye friendsen sikadwete sikabana no honkro me ba ye fankoje besia no was ni nyina ya abandia iti na daily graphic what the one sem abba na chronicle the obokra tanso na ewa hayi yesi papa bi emre bi atwam no esrani ne buofu pa se asasrafo e de omo ya amanyosem ni nyina afa do me fase ensense me koso no se wo munyi asrafo nyina nchen kra emomfo mo nya amanyosem na ja asrafo wo munni wo munku inti na eja esem bi ka we ho ne eba mo
kwaku krono ye friend fase
na
de se nsuachi
fase nke ya se ebia fa
ya me de pasa na nya me kwa na esi bebo me wa beka ho so ba sada record whole voice so me no me eri babo
e dome fase we are child of you club na de
obi dem ye kwa dukumi ni ohema ahwenepa akrufi na omede de bonkrata na poso de be ho